Learn how to arbitrage trading. This course is for beginners. In this training we are going to be arbitrage trading with cryptocurrencies. What is arbitrage trading? Well, let's say that we were going to buy Bitcoin and we bought that on exchange A for $1,000 and we sold that Bitcoin on exchange B for $1,050. That means you'd have a profit of $50. That's arbitrage trading. Of course, we need to take in the exchange fees and the blockchain fees. Arbitrage trading is very profitable with very low risk. What you will need for this arbitrage training, the first thing is to make sure that you're a member or you've joined at least 2 exchanges. The second thing is you hold some cryptocurrencies. In the description below this video, you're going to find a link to this page which gives you a whole list of exchanges that you could join. The more exchanges you join, the more chances that you've got for arbitrage trading, okay? The next thing you need to do is to go to a website called coinmarketcap.com. You'll find the link for that in the description as well. Once you're on CoinMarketCap, you will see in the top left-hand corner there's 2,429 cryptocurrencies in just over 19,000 markets. So what we're going to do in this video, we're just going to cover Bitcoin. Of course, you've got 2,429 coins to choose from, and some of them have a lot more profit to be made than just using Bitcoin. So below you here, you're going to see the top 100 coins. Now you can look at the next 100 or you can view them all, but we're just going to look at Bitcoin today in this training. So I'm going to click on Bitcoin. That's going to take me to this page, and as you can see, it's showing me the current fiat value in dollars. So if I wanted to buy 1 Bitcoin, I would have to pay $11,659.78 thereabouts, because that's an average price. That's not a fixed price. So let me show you. If we come down below and we click on markets, that will load all the markets that you can trade Bitcoin in. Down the left hand side is the source, which means the exchange, and there's a whole list of exchanges down there. The next thing is the trading pair. So you're going to trade Bitcoin with another cryptocurrency or a fiat currency. This first one says Bitcoin with USTD, which is a cryptocurrency called Tether. The next thing, the next column along, you'll see is the trading volume in the last 24 hours. So on Binance, the trading volume between Bitcoin and Tether in the last 24 hours is this much, okay? And the price is this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this price up the top here. And as you can see, it says $16,601. Well, if I look here, it says 11,000. So you can see that this is the average price. So if I click on again, the price again, it's now going to show me the lowest place. So it's going to show me this figure, 5,673. So let's have a look at how much profit that is. So let's click on the price again to find the highest price. And I'm going to copy this number, which is 16,601. Copy that. I'm going to pop that into my calculator, and I'm going to click minus, and I'm now going to click price again. I'm going to copy that amount, take that to my calculator, paste that into there, click equals, and as you can see, if I bought 1 Bitcoin on this exchange here and I sold it on this exchange, there's a profit of $10,927.88. So that's how easy it is to arbitrage. Now there comes some problems. When you're choosing the exchange to trade from, what you want to do is ignore any exchanges with these star signs in them, okay? So I wouldn't be using this exchange, I wouldn't be using this exchange. This one I could possibly use for the price of Bitcoin. So let's take this one here, which is on Bitforex, okay? So what you'll need to do is to go to Bitforex and buy Bitcoin with this coin here, ABBC. Now the problem is you might not hold the coin ABBC. So now it starts to get a little bit complicated, because what you've got to do is you've got to find the best place for you to buy Bitcoin, say, with dollars. So if you don't hold any Bitcoin, what you're going to need to do is to buy Bitcoin for the very first time. So whether you're buying Bitcoin with dollars, euros, or Great British pounds, or any other currency, if we click on the pair, and let's go down and look for a fiat currency that you can buy Bitcoin with. So the first one I see is euros, and I can see that I can buy Bitcoin with euros on this exchange here, and I can pay for it to the equivalent of $11,694. So I want to see if there's a euro price that's lower than that. Coming down, I can see there's another one here for $11,398. So that's the lowest price I can pay in euros. So I'm going to pop that into my notepad. Now let's look down for the Great British Pounds. Maybe you want to use Great British Pounds. I can see one here, 11,440. So I'm going to copy that one. Here's if I was going to use euros, and this one is if I was going to use pounds. And then let's have a look to see if there's one that I can actually buy with dollars. Here's Bitcoin with the US dollar. So this one here, the 11,445, looks the lowest rate. So I'm going to make a note of that in my notepad. And that I know was if I purchased with dollars. So I could go to this exchange here, register with that exchange, and because they let you trade in dollars, you'll be able to deposit dollars in there, either with your credit card or via your bank account. Now, once you've done that and you hold your Bitcoin, the next thing you need to do is to see how you can sell it for a higher price. Well, you know that you've paid $11,445 for it. So let's come back up to the price and click here again. Now, what I could do is I could send that Bitcoin, once I bought it, over to this exchange here, which is the Bit4X, and sell it for $12,362. So let's see what the ROI was on that. So let's take the original number. I'm going to use my percentage calculator, and again, in the description, you're going to find a link to this. So let's get the second number, which was that one. So that's an increase of 8%. Now, Bitcoin is not the most profitable coin to be doing arbitrage trading with, because the profits are too low and the trading fees and the exchange fees and the blockchain fees can eat up your profit. So what you need to do is to find other cryptocurrencies that will give you a much higher profit. Now, you can do that exercise that I've done and go through all the 2,429 coins, but I can tell you that's going to take you a long time. But if you'd like to know the quick way of doing it with just a few clicks of the mouse, let me introduce to you a website called Jonny Blockchain. Arbitrage trading made simple. Right now inside Jonny Blockchain, we have over 1,000 arbitrage trades where we've done all the work for you and worked out all the routes. Let me just show you some of the routes that we've got available. And so let's have a look at this trading route. As you can see here, it's saying we've got to trade with the GAM coin, and we're going to be trading on IDAX and KuCoin. So let's have a look at the actual trade itself and to see how much profit's in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this scales, and what Jonny Blockchain is going to do now is going to go over to those exchanges, retrieve the liquidity, retrieve the how much is there available for you to trade with. It's going to give you a pop-up like this. It's saying if you're going to trade with $1, there's no profit to be made. But if you want to trade with $2, then you can make a profit of 92.4% ROI. If you want to trade with $3, you can turn that $3 into $23, and that's a profit of 685%. And as you can see, there's lots of liquidity there and there's lots of opportunity for you to trade. So if you're serious about arbitrage trading and you don't want to do all the hard work yourself, then come over to Jonny Blockchain, create yourself an account, and you can be arbitrage trading today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video. And once you've done that, remember to click on the bell icon. This will make sure that you get notified when I upload a new video. You have an amazing day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye now.